Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The fact that, Mr. Speaker, you have told us that we debate and you are going to rule on this one. I ask myself, the fact that Azimio didn't win the election of the Speaker, who are the majority then? That is our question, if we are debating. If you didn't win, we didn't win, I'm in Azimio, we didn't win the position of the Speaker, who are the majority then. That is, yes, that is the answer. You should answer. Who won? Who won? Put the question, Mr. Speaker. Who won the position of the Speaker? Then, who are the majority then? We should be debating on other things, Mr. Speaker. We should help our people. Like Kisi, we have no water, we have no electricity. We are discussing things that have been shot straight. Who was the Speaker then when we came to Parliament? The first time on 29th of September, who was elected as the Speaker? Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Wamboka.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My contribution is as follows. First, I'll speak as an elder from Luya community. No, you relax.
Order.
I'll speak as an elder from the Luya community that let's keep the Speaker out of this issue. If you get to the position of the Speaker, then we start taking sides and it will not be good. Two, Honorable Speaker, parties went for election and the law required that you choose which coalition you wanted to belong. At that point, that was to determine which side you belong. There was Azimio and there was Kenya Kwanza. Some people decided to sign agreement with the Kenya Kwanza. Some decided to sign agreements with Azimio. Please, let's respect that position. Then elections were held, results came out. Mr. Speaker, I know some members of Parliament, when we had the first meeting of Azimio in KICC, we had Kinamutuse with us. It is only after realizing that the presidency is going segemnege, that is how they shifted to the other side. But the fact that their numbers belonged to Azimio has not changed. Now, basic people here are trying to argue that you can change any other time. No, at the time of election, Azimio was the majority. Give us that position. Honorable Junet Mohamed is our majority leader. Honorable Milio Diambo is our majority whip. If you feel numbers have changed, bring that here on the table, we discuss it. That is a different thing. But as at election, Honorable Speaker, Azimio Party is the majority party.